We take a look at Junction City with our Weather Cam Network shot, and certainly some snow on the ground there, and it's a cold morning. And then we venture to Emporia. There's also some snow here. This will be the first spot in the viewing area to likely get some snow on Tuesday as it starts working into that area. Here's a recap of what we've had in February, now 3.3. Our season total at 20.1, certainly well ahead of what we had this time last year when it was only 7.2. Nothing on radar, although just outside of Hutchinson, maybe a light snow shower trying to form, so we'll look for that. Our wind speed running at roughly 10 to 12 miles per hour. It's coming in from the northwest, a bit stronger up here toward Hiawatha, also getting into Highland and Troy. Single-digit air temperatures to the far northwest, otherwise some low to mid-teens. And when you're that cold and you have that breeze at 10, that's producing wind chills of roughly 5 below to 5 above this morning. And there's a look at the colder air that's back to the northwest. Some of that's still seeping over us today, but we should still make it to roughly the mid to maybe upper 20s if we're lucky. So for cloud cover, we're going to have some of this increase today. Right now we're mainly clear, but cloud southwest will try to trickle in, making it variably cloudy to mostly cloudy. Could be a flurry out of that. And as we get into Tuesday, fairly quiet early. Scattered clouds, so likely mostly cloudy, but as we look south, a band of snow will start lifting in, and that could hit areas just outside of Wichita and El Dorado, getting toward Emporia and Burlington around 1 o'clock. That will start lifting toward Topeka and Manhattan by 3 o'clock, and then as we go from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., the snow really fills in, could come down heavily at times, and then from 10 o'clock to roughly 3 a.m., there might be some freezing rain mixing in, and so that would be on top of the snow this time, instead of having freezing rain underneath. So it would be a very crunchy snow, and then that would taper off by roughly 5 to 6 a.m., and hopefully the plows can get out to kind of get us where we need to be for Wednesday. There's the projections right now, roughly 3 to 5 across the area as we go from Tuesday evening into that daybreak period Wednesday. Much of this will likely fall from 7 p.m. Tuesday to about 3 a.m. early Wednesday morning. So for today, some clouds on the increase for us. Could get a flurry out of that. Otherwise, we're looking at roughly mid-20s, although we'll shoot for a daytime high, maybe a degree or two higher than that. 18 through the overnight with a mostly cloudy sky. Still no snow. The snow, though, tries to gradually work its way in through Tuesday afternoon, starting to the south. Mainly fairly light, too, in the onset, just scattered snow showers, but then it really picks up as we go through a Tuesday night into daybreak Wednesday. Also some mix coming into play there. On Thursday, partly cloudy at 36, and then actually warm enough on Friday and Saturday to give us more rain than anything else. Might be some freezing rain and mix in there, though, as we go through a Friday night and maybe even Saturday night if it lingers long enough.